Today we're going to talk about two vital components of a successful workplace, communication and teamwork. Nitesh Dixit once said, "The worst distance between two people is misunderstanding." Now, misunderstanding in our workplace has led to many problems, including 1. Confusion, 2. Unfulfilled promises, 3. Unhappy customers, and 4. Discord between employees. Now let's talk about a situation that has happened recently. The situation was that the marketing team made promises to our customers that the technical department could not fulfill, which left our client service department with unhappy customers. Now, unhappy customers may seem like the problem. However, it is only the effect of the problem in the workplace. Now, what is the true problem? The true problem we are having in the workplace is the attitude of them, as in their department, versus us, our department. This mindset divides us as a company, employees, and management. In a recent study by The Source, they found that 86% of employees and executives have found that a lack of collaboration and communication typically lead to failure in the workplace, failure that we have seen recently ourselves. Now, what is the solution? The solution is better teamwork and communication. We have created a plan of action to better help us with this goal of better teamwork and communication. This plan of action includes unity, teamwork, communication, and appreciation. Now, first of all is unity and the we mindset. Rather than refer to them as their department or our department, we will always refer to each other as we. Even if we're presented with a problem that should be given to another department, instead of saying, "I will have our," for example, technical department fix that for you, we will say, "We will go ahead and fix that problem for you." This will better help us to see each other as a team. Because as a team and teamwork, we're all departments working towards the same goal. We need to work together to achieve that goal and understand that one department is not more incompetent or important as another. On top of that, we need to have open and without judgment in our communication between departments. We want to be able to better help each other understand what is going on so we can better work towards that same goal. To drive home our commitment to work as a team, communicate well, and be unified, we must recognize when someone or department has done a great job. Management may put into place some incentives, but as employees, we need to verbalize when we see someone doing a great job. Now, to conclude with the story, an anthropologist was in Africa doing research, and one day, as he was waiting to get on a bus to go to another city, a group of kids came up to him and wanted to eat some of the candy he had in his hand. To make a game of it, he decided to draw a line in the sand and told the kids to race to the finish line, and whoever got there first would get all the candy. So the kids all lined up, grabbed each other by the hand, and together ran towards the finish line. So they all crossed the line at the same time. The man gave them candy, and as they sat in the circle satisfied, he asked why they did that. And they said, "If one of us is sad, then we're all sad." They believe in this word Ubuntu, which means I am because we are. Therefore, if we want to be successful in the workplace, we must work as a team to cross that finish line together. We are successful because we are. Thank you.